Hi, today's topic is what are the reasons for the failure of Nokia? Nokia, a mighty firm, well flourished and is known to be the best, especially for its hardware and battery life. It is one of the leading mobile firms. It has a stance and prestige of its own. The users were very satisfied with their service and hardware. Nokia was the name one used to take in amongst the top others brands. If it all were the things, then why Nokia failed? Nokia failure is not just a single factor which is responsible for its downfall. Some of the reasons responsible for the failure of Nokia are Nokia did not adapt to change. In 2008, brands like Samsung, HTC, and Sony found routes to extend their market. Samsung's Android mobile phones are user friendly and budget friendly too. When every manufacturer is busy in making touchscreen mobiles, Nokia felt that touch wouldn't have a scope in the near future, but customers override their expectations. Nokia entrance into Windows platform is quite late. Finally, Nokia gave up for a 7.1 billion to Microsoft. Mistakes that lead to Nokia failure is the failure of Symbian OS, means operating system. Nokia launched its Symbian 60 series in year 2002, which initially had a good market response. The introduction of Apple iOS in 2007 and Android in 2008, the OS operating system race was completely taken over by the two giants. The reason for the collapse of Symbian OS is lack of application and user interface. After facing competition from iOS and Android, Nokia continuously tried to improve their Symbian OS but was not creating something unique. Wrong deal with Windows. The company made the biggest mistake to take a leap of faith in Windows in 2011. At that point of time, the company already was in declining condition and trusting Windows, which was new in the field, to regain its status was the biggest mistake the company made. Nokia became laggard in the smartphone market. Stiff competition from Samsung and Apple, lack on focus on innovation was the big reason of collapse. Nokia seemed to be lagging in the race, where Samsung from nowhere entered the race and focused on innovation as its core competence to gain the market share. Nokia was very late to realize this factor. Another final point is the lack of strategic plan. Both Apple and Samsung got the hold of the excellent game plan which Nokia could not manage to get. Apple and Samsung have created a flagship product. These companies release a new version of these products every year with additional features and keep the excitement continues for the customers. But in the case of Nokia, such scenario was not created, and this is actually led Nokia to collapse. So Nokia gets failed firstly because of its own decision to get it sold to the Microsoft, reflecting its image of incapability to manage its firm. Next, its decision which it took to not to enter in an experiment of launching touchscreens and eventually denying the concept of smartphones which made it late and out of market and uprooted all its well settled branches, and the giants like Samsung, Apple, Sony, etc. have filled the space with their hard work and innovation. which in turn diverted all the customers to the fantasy of the wonders of latest technology. The conclusion for the failure of Nokia was, in short, the bad decision that were taken by it and the avoidance to cope with the advancing world, and lack of adopting of new technology, and unfocused innovation. Thank you.